Hi everyone, I'm back to my channel. So, after 12 years, a decade in India and last 2 years in Sweden, मैं अपना YouTube चैनल दोबारा स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. तो अब मैं इसमें शेयर करूँगी अपने लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंसेस, मुझे इंडिया में काम करना कैसा लगा और अब स्वीडन में आके मेरे क्या स्ट्रगल्स रहे टू फाइंड अ जॉब एंड माय होल स्टोरी दैट व्हाई आई left my YouTube channel in between. 5 years ago, I started this YouTube channel with great enthusiasm and everything. But life had a different plan for me. I had my daughter and I got really sick. Really sick. I was just bedridden and I could not even carry out my job properly. So I had to stop everything. Some parts of my job also, my YouTube channel, and everything was just shattered. And what held me for a long time, I was not sure also that I would come back on YouTube or not, or I should come back on YouTube. Balance, if you're not in office, you're not there in the job. It is supposed to be like that. अब मुझे उस वक्त अपनी जॉब को 6 months अराउंड क्विट भी करना पड़ा था एंड मैं बिकॉज मुझे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था तो मुझे कुछ टाइम वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी मिल गया बट it was eventually getting very hard. It's Indian culture or what? Mothers are not welcomed. Even जिनके बच्चे छोटे हैं उनको वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस में इंडिया में कॉर्पोरेट में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है एटलीस्ट फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड देन finally one day we decided we need a shift because construction me to come back with the same pace and you have a daughter at home small daughter in for like you have to like take leaves and everything और आपको बार बार उनके पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग्स के लिए लीव लेना ये करना वो करना सो इंडियन का आई थिंक सो वी डिसाइडेड टू मूव टू स्वीडन बिकॉज हमें लगा एक बार एक चांस देना चाहिए लेट्स सी हाउ द वर्क कल्चर इज देयर बिकॉज 10 साल तो इंडिया में 12 साल तो इंडिया में काम कर ही चुके हैं लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स सो वी केम टू स्वीडन 2 years back 2023 it was not easy. Europe, different culture, just different culture, different language, different people. Everything was different here. And इंडिया में बैठ के ऐसा लगता है कि पहाड़ मूव कर गए तो इट्स लाइक अ केक एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू ईट दैट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट when you come here you have different struggles you need to look for a job and when you have a language barrier that was not easy for me so हम लग गए हम स्टार्ट हो गए ढूंढना अपने लिए पूरे 12 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं एक फ्रेशर हूँ यहाँ पर और दोबारा से मैं सब कुछ ढूंढना दोबारा से मुझे वही सीवी अपलोड करना मैंने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 20 टाइम्स अपना रेज्यूमे चेंज किया होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू यूरोपियन स्टाइल और यहाँ पे क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू जेडीज मैंने एआई की हेल्प ली मैंने क्या क्या नहीं किया I just worked very hard for that. But nothing was working. But one fine day, after around 8 months, I got a job. And that was the wonderful day of my life. And I got my first job in Sweden as a civil engineer. And it was wonderful because not that the job was big or it was that I got engineering job in Sweden and in Europe. No, it was a moment which realized me that yes, you can restart your life at any moment. Whatever happened in your life does not matter when you get the job, when you achieve something. I would suggest a long experience. Of course, that matters, but I think adaptability is more important here. Skills also are important, but the way your mindset actually, the way your mindset works is important. So, if you're coming out of India, especially when you are coming in some other country like Europe where there is a language barrier, you have to be focused and you cannot leave hope. If you leave hope, you're drained. No, don't give up. Just keep going and you will get what you want. And that brings me back to YouTube because I really don't want to teach civil engineering that many people are doing. But I just want everybody, every new civil engineer to know that it's just not about books, not concrete, not just subject, not just theory. It's a practical life experience which I want to share, that what are the struggles, what mistakes you'll do, what kind of professions there are when you just move out of the college, and what is the difference working in India and abroad. So I just wanted to know everybody. I just want to share my experience so that it may help somebody to move there. So what my channel will give you: real life experiences, which is my only life, the 14 years of experience, the truth behind civil engineer, India and abroad work culture difference, the different departments in which you can choose where you want to go, because civil engineering is just not one job. Inside that, you have different departments and you can choose for yourself like where you want to be. Basic concepts, what every civil engineer should know to move ahead and to make their first impression in their first company. Basic concept should be your criteria and career growth, salary guidance, whatever is the difference between India and abroad, and plus India also, like how step by step you grow, and most important, the honest content that I will share for each and every year of my life that I have lived as a girl in civil engineering in India. It's a big thing. Now, what is the big difference as a girl in civil engineering in India and in abroad? I would love to share that. If you connect to my story, please subscribe. And also, if you are a civil engineer and struggling right now, believe me, I was there and I have done that. So I will help you to come through that and grow and come back to the life again. So I'll meet you in the next video, and please subscribe my channel and follow me. Thank you.